Hey guys, today I thought of sharing this small tip with you all which will help you to organize your notification center. What you have to do is you have to go to settings, scroll down, look for notifications, select the app which has a lot of notifications. Let's say for YouTube. Now as you can see in the notification center there is this YouTube notification. What you have to do is you have to go ahead and put this toggle off, show in history. What it does is it simply removes the notification from this notification center and your notification panel would be little more organized. As you can see here, I'll do that similarly for the Geo app, and the app is, well, there's this app. And now what I have to do is, as you can see, there are a lot of notifications from this app. What I will do is I'll just put this off. As you can see, the notifications are gone and there is no notification in the notification center. So this would be little handy for the apps which has a lot of notifications. I hope you guys like this trick, and if you liked it, just go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.